Now what are we going to do? We are going to, our bread is ready. So we are going to start making the bread pizza. Okay. Now this is our bread. I showed you we had tomato ketchup. We already put butter on this, remember? So now we put little tomato ketchup on both the bread slices. Okay, are you all putting tomato ketchup? Slowly, children, you have to spread it all around. Children can do it. Okay, you can do it, and then you can enjoy this every time you want. Okay, so you don't have to trouble your mummy to make pizza for you. Okay, see, now we put tomato ketchup. I have got a little bit of tomato over here. Okay, tomatoes are very healthy, so you can put little tomatoes which are cut on the bread pizza. If you like, you can put other vegetable like corn or spinach. Okay, who likes corn? Tell me. Many children like corn. Put your thumbs up who likes corn. Okay, now on this, we are putting a little bit of basil leaves, the tulsi leaves, a little bit. This gives nice flavor. A little bit of pepper powder, you know, this pepper powder. And finally, we will take the pizza cheese. Okay, you all are ready to grate the pizza cheese and put it on the pizza bread. Okay, nicely and slowly. See, you can see, put nice amount of cheese. Do you like more cheese or less cheese? Nobody likes less cheese, right? Everybody likes more cheese. So we are going to put a good amount of cheese on the bread pizza, on both of them. Okay. See, now we've done it really nicely. We put a lot of cheese. Now we'll just spread it around on both of them. Very good. Okay, we just spread it around nicely. Okay, we'll just keep this here for 2 minutes and we will go back to the tawa that we have. Okay, we did the toast in that. Now we're going to light this tawa once more on a slow flame. We put it on a slow flame and put the tawa back. Now I want you to take any plate, any steel plate. You see, I've taken a steel plate like this. Now this steel plate has got khadda. You know, see small holes. If you have a steel plate like this, very good. If you don't have, you can take a normal steel plate. Okay. So take the steel plate and put it on the tawa. So this is ready. Oh yes, perfect. Perfect. Aiza is doing very nice and even fantastic. Okay, this is ready. Now we will take the pizza bread and put it on these plates. Okay, both the slices. And we've taken since we don't have an oven over here, we are taking another big dome shape. If you want, you can take something like this to cover the pizzas. Okay? You can take something like this or a small kadai to cover the pizzas. Now I'm going to cover the pizzas so our cheese bakes nicely. Now we are going to leave that for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay? Okay, let us check if the pasta is done. No, the pasta is still a little raw. The pasta is not done. Okay, fantastic. Should I go ahead? Yeah, okay, Brijesh, the pasta is ready. Very nice. Okay, now some people pasta is ready, so you can pour the pasta, but my pasta is not ready, so I will boil it for some more time. Okay, now in the meanwhile, what we can do is we will make preparation for the pasta cheese sauce. Okay, should we start the cheese sauce? Okay, should we start the cheese sauce? Give me a thumbs up if we should start the cheese sauce. Okay, fantastic. Now we'll start the cheese sauce also, for which we will take a kadai, okay, and light it up on a very slow flame. Okay, remember that we have our bread pizza over there, so we should not forget the bread pizza. We should use it after 4 minutes. Okay, now I'm taking oil. It's about 1 tablespoon of oil I'm putting in the kadai. Okay. Remember, tell your daddy to do it. You should not do it. Okay. And this is butter. I'm putting about 1 tablespoon of butter also in the kadai. Okay. It is on a very slow flame. Until the butter and the oil, it melts over here. Okay. We will remove our pasta. Our pasta is ready. It is boiled. If you see, it's take a little more time. Okay. See, now this has started to melt a little bit. Everybody ready? Now we're going to take one big spoon with us. If you have spoon, you can take your spoon. This is called a whisk. What is this called? Whisk. If you have whisk, you can use a whisk. If you have spoon, you can use a spoon. Whichever you can use, you have at your home, you use. I'm going to use a whisk. Okay, this is maida or flour. We are going to add the flour to this mixture of butter and oil and mix it. Remember, the flame has to be very slow. It cannot be high at all. It's a very slow flame. mix it on a very slow flame. Keep on mixing it round and round so that it does not burn. Very slowly. Okay. Now, meanwhile, what you're going to do is, we did not forget our pizza bread. We will just take a look at the pizza bread. Is it done? No, it is not done. We'll cover it back. Okay. Coming back. Are you all doing this, children? Are you all seeing this? Now we are making the sauce for the pasta. Very good. Do it on a very slow flame. It should not be high flame at all. Okay? If you see, this is starting to bubble a little. Can you see the bubbling? When it starts bubbling, that means it is getting ready. So we'll just do it for about 30-40 more seconds. Remember, you have to keep on stirring it. Okay? Naito it will burn. So now this is more or less ready. We will start with our water which we had boiled, the onion water and the milk. Okay, you see the onion water we had. So we're going to take the onion water. Now children, you will have to stand behind. Okay, don't go close to the gas because there will be hot vapors which will come from here. Okay, now keep on stirring this round and round. All the daddies, you have to keep on stirring round and round and put half of this water slowly. You see, the mixture is getting thick. I put half the water and I'm mixing it so there are no lumps inside. Okay, see this? All the lumps are gone. Now I'm going to take 200 ml of milk. Remember, the gas is still slow. We have not put the gas on high. This is 200 ml of milk. Now I'm going to put the milk also when I'm stirring this. Okay, we have to put it slowly. Once the milk is in, make sure it is going round and round. Now we will put a little bit of salt and pepper. We will put very less salt, not too much salt, because the cheese which we are going to put in the end has got salt, a little bit of pepper, okay. Now this is still on a slow flame. I'm going to put the flame a little high.